Hello, I'm Paul Beckwith. I'm on top of a gravel pile overlooking a lake that was basically a mine. It was an iron mine in Marmora, Ontario years ago, and rainwater has just filled it with water, and it does have a climate renewable energy connection because there's some proposals that this lake is used as a huge battery for renewable energy. So when the wind is blowing and it's sunny and you're producing excess energy from your wind turbines and solar panels, etc., then what you can do with that excess electricity is you can use it to operate pumps to pump water up into this reservoir. Then during peak demand times, you actually let the water flow down through channels running generators producing renewable electricity, and it's a very, very efficient battery, as it turns out. It's a very you basically regain the vast majority of the power that you've generated earlier. So the losses from this type of battery system are pretty small, actually. So I don't know if the proposal will go through, but it is a beautiful lake, and it's quite a large volume. There's a fence there, no trespassing, keep out, so I can't go and give Newton a swim, unfortunately. I'd get in trouble. I've got Newton here. We're on a road trip. I visited my mom in Oakville, so that's quite a long drive from Ottawa. And we're heading back to Ottawa. And there's Newton's dinner, what's left of it, and a book which I've been reading and putting post-it notes in. It's called Cop Out: How Governments Have Failed the People on Climate by Nick Breeze. So it's basically an insider's view to the COP conferences, the Conference of Parties, the once a year conference in either November or December to try to get countries to agree to emissions cuts, etc. So it's called Cop Out for a very good reason. I started to film a book review up here in this environment, but it's too windy and Newton is too restless, so he's actually started to dig holes, believe it or not, and that can't be good for his paws. So anyway, I just thought I'd show you the beautiful landscape here, and talk a little bit about battery storage using pumped water battery storage. There are some places in the world that are doing this because when you've got all that excess energy during peak power production times, you need to store it somehow and then be able to have access to it during peak electricity demand times. So this is a perfect, very efficient way of storing energy. So I'm standing on top of a big gravel pile here. There's a little trail. There's all of these huge truck tires. If you can see at the bottom, they're used as planters all along the road. Gives you some idea of the scale of the equipment that was used to extract the rock and iron. And I think this lake is actually very deep now. I think the mine goes down a really long distance, and I'm not sure why they closed it up. I guess it became uneconomical. So anyway, thank you for listening. Please consider Newton. What on earth is this? Is a crazy dog. He gets mad at rocks from time to time, and that, the doggy dentist will not be happy with me. So anyway, there it's keeping, I think he's really bored, so I'm gonna say goodbye for now, and hopefully my next video is a review of Nick's book, Cop Out. Thanks for listening. Beautiful location. Bye for now.